We're back again this week, and again, we're going off-road with the Tesla Cybertruck, the Brabus Crawler, and the Mercedes Brabus XLP. Welcome to Auto Tech Talk. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything, right here on Auto Tech Talk. So not only are we going off-road, but we're exhibiting the off-road future mobility. Tesla's Cybertruck is definitely ahead of time. Very pioneering indeed. Tesla is promising to get the production line for the Cybertruck going in 2023. More and more upgrades have been done on the concept, hence the delay for production, and we will soon get into those features. Starting with the design of the Cybertruck, they deviated from the modern curved style of designing by instead using distinct straight lines. Such geometries are actually one of the essential methods of manufacturing a product much cheaper. The windshield is so gigantic that it even posed hazards for the orientation, location, and function of the wiper. Further technological developments are made on the wiper design, so we look forward to seeing that in the production model. Normally, for off-road vehicles, we expect lamps sticking out conspicuously on the roof, like 6-year-olds sticking out their heads via the sunroof. But Tesla substituted that by embedding a smooth, unified LED light. No air intakes on the front. The slanted roof plays a significant role, though, for the efficiency of aerodynamics. The contrasting tones between the wheel arcs and body gives meaning to the car. The truck will come with sensor opening doors. Doors will be manipulated by means of your fingerprint or your smartphone, they mentioned. Tesla's CEO did not appreciate the use of traditional door handles, as he believed that they ruined the whole concept of a seamless, minimalistic design. Getting into performance specs, the Cybertruck will be available in 3 different models, distinct by their number of electric motors. The base model will be powered by a single motor, the middle trim will be a dual motor, and the upper trim model will be powered by 3 motors. There is a possibility for a quad motor. The base trim model will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 110 miles per hour. The mid-trim model will accelerate from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour. For the more enthusiastic drivers though, with the tri-motor version, they will get to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, 2.9 seconds to be more accurate, and reach a top speed of 130 miles per hour. A top speed of 130 miles per hour on a pickup truck. Are we really talking about a pickup truck? Now, that's incredibly fast. I also cannot imagine the lightweightness achieved on this vehicle without even using much of carbon fiber. The car's exoskeleton is made of the ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, built out of house near the allocated plant for the Cybertruck. This stainless steel is the very same one that is used on the SpaceX starships. This made the truck to be almost impenetrable, highly durable. One can even barely cause scratch marks on the body. Speaking of toughness, the windows are bulletproof. Not to forget that the design of the Cybertruck, as per the direction of Elon, it is sci-fi inspired. Musk is slowly paving the way to Mars life. The car's adjustable suspension can grant 16 inches of ground clearance for off-road purposes and can be lowered, most especially for vehicle entrance. Remember, this truck is huge. It's built to withstand the toughest terrains, be it mud, snow, hill climbing, or desert drive. The Cybertruck has a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of 3,500 pounds. It will also come with an 800-volt battery architecture, same as the one found in the Porsche Taycan and the Audi e-tron. The batteries will be built in-house as well. For the base model, the mileage range will be 250 plus miles. Mid-trim model will offer 350 plus miles, and the upper trim model will offer 500 plus miles of range, all just in a single charge. The truck further consists of a 100 cubic foot rear space, consisting of a flatbed, a frunk, lockable storage, and sail pillars. Some driver assist features for the car are the Tesla full self-driving feature with an additional cost of $7,000 and many other modern drive assist features found on today's models, such as park assist and lane departure assist, etc. The interior can accommodate 6 passengers. The mid-front seat is so economical, if not used, one can fold it and use it as a storage compartment. The dash is made of compressed paper and given a marble finishing. On the center of the dash is a 17-inch touchscreen display for your infotainment. Overall, one can say that the interior is very minimalistic. Passengers can also enjoy the sky view. Price specs. The base trim model might cost $39,900, mid-trim model $49,900, and the upper trim model $69,900. It is definitely worth the splurge. Brabus introduces us to its informal off-road icon. It has been said that its production model will be limited to only 15. The crawler's design is derived from the G-Wagon, so one could say it's a half-naked, striped G-Wagon with a racing steel cage. One could assume that it is definitely for athletes or athlete wannabes. I'm sure it's predictable that it's not legal for road use. The crawler features a large custom air intake on the hood. Inside the crawler are 4 individual bucket seats with carbon trims, and a non-leather fabric was used. Instead, some special fabric was used to reduce sweating, especially when driving on extreme hot conditions like in the desert. Further on the interior, you get 2 12-inch Poshy touchscreens. Performance specs: instead of using the 4-liter V8 engine from the G-Wagon, the crawler is powered by a 4.5-liter 900-horsepower V8 engine from the GT900 sedan, enabling the Brabus' first off-road icon to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds. Top speed of the crawler is said to be 99 miles per hour. This may sound minimal, but this can be done literally on any terrain. The price for the crawler: just know you should at least have an extra $944,625 to splurge. Of course, only to splurge, because at the end of the day, this is a car you would jump into if you want to be a bad boy on the weekend. Lastly, the body panels are carbon fiber, which increases the lightweightness of the car. And we are wrapping it up with the iconic Brabus XLP, again inspired by the G63 SUV. The design, of course, is meaty as ever, made distinct by its gunmetal black contrasting with the red trims on the grille, wheel trims, and the chassis. On the rear, Brabus ensured to make its product identifiable in one of the most expensive fine materials, carbon fiber. On the floor of the bed again, Brabus painted its mark on it. One should not mistakenly identify the vehicle. Since it's for off-road, LED lights are incorporated on the roof head. That means when you're either hunting or identifying obstacles, your visibility is guaranteed. The interior is identical to the G63 SUV. Same configuration on the dash, including the integrated cluster and the 12-inch infotainment screen. Carbon fiber on the center console as well as on the door panels. It features great leather on the seats that Mercedes-Benz identifies as Mondial Black, and contrasting rocket red on the speaker covers, air vents, door panels, switches, etc. Last but not least, a leather-stitched steering wheel for your optimum comfort. As on every Brabus, the signature on the seat as well as on the doorstep is there for inspection and assurance of quality. Adjustable suspension is also available, enabling you to penetrate through different terrains, aided also by the 22-inch wheels. Only 10 will be built. Getting into performance specs, the XLP 900 reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, enabled by the same engine as in the crawler, a 4.5-liter V8 engine. I am sure you know what I imply by saying XLP 900. Of course, it's a 900 horsepower engine. The XLP is a 9-speed automatic transmission which transmits 1,250 Nm of torque to the wheels. Top speed of the XLP is the same as the upper trim model of the Tesla Cybertruck, 130 miles per hour. Definitely not certain about the price specs, but having an extra $750,000 might do. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.